Welcome to the Chiropractic and Legal Injury Podcast, recorded live at our events. We're here bringing you the expertise, insights, and tools you need to navigate the world of personal injury care and to uncover what you didn't know about car accidents. It's no accident you're listening today, so let's get started.
All right, so we are here today with Dr. Jen Polk with Back to Motion Chiropractic. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me, Larry.
Tell us a little bit about your clinic. Where is it located and what type of services do you provide there?
My office is Back to Motion Chiropractic in Old Town Scottsdale. I've been there for 18 years. Small, low-volume practice, and I provide both chiropractic care as well as a lot of different physical therapy modalities.
Sure. Now, you've been coming to my advanced personal injury seminars for years now, and what if anything, have you gotten out of them over the years?
Oh my gosh, so much. Learning how to work with the attorneys and what you guys need from us as far as building the case up, doing proper referrals, finding the injuries, the biomechanics of what's actually happening to cause the tissue damage.
Sure.
I've done some other courses as well, but I absolutely love yours, which is why I come back year after year.
Well, I'm flattered, thank you, and it's always great to have you at them. So you and I have actually handled dozens of cases together over the years, and we actually have a perfect track record. We've never lost a case together. What do you attribute to that success?
Communication.
Tell us a little bit about that.
What I like about your office is if I have a question about the care, I can call to get referral. Your referrals as well as you get mine, to see really how to quarterback the case, who to send it to, how to build it up.
Sure. Yes, and it's so easy to work with a physician who takes such a great hands-on approach to managing these cases. And I know firsthand you refer out for imaging early on, you work collaboratively with pain management companies, and you get results as established by our perfect track record over the years. So tell us, do you have any advanced specialized training that you've done that you believe contributed to your development as a top-level personal injury chiropractic physician?
Well, besides taking courses, some American Academy of Injury as well as yours, I also had the honor to be the first one from my chiropractic school to go do an internship at Bethesda Naval Hospital. So when I was there, I had my own patient load a couple days a week, and then the other days I got to rotate throughout the hospital. It was all active duty military, but I got to go in on tons of different surgeries and follow the patients through those. So I got to see microdiscectomies, I got to see cervical and lumbar fusions.
Wow, what an experience. That's amazing.
All kinds, pretty much every joint replacement. I wanted to be in there, and some of them I got to assist. I got to assist on a cranioplasty.
Wow.
So I actually saw like the pulsating of the meninges and all kinds of stuff that it's just a different view.
Yeah.
So.
And watching you light up as you describe it shows just how passionate you are about what you do. Now, your office is in Old Town Scottsdale, correct?
Correct.
All right. So if you were to provide some tips to somebody who is looking for a chiropractic physician following an auto accident, what tips or pieces of advice would you provide them?
Chiropractors are all different from each other. I have a very low volume practice, and I've intentionally kept it that way. What my patients end up loving about me is the one-on-one individualized care that I give. Some offices, even a high volume office is fine if they're also providing other therapies. But for me, I like the smaller volume where the doctor is actually very involved and you're with the doctor for most of the time, one-on-one, rather than going, in different rooms doing the same thing every visit. Not every visit is going to be the same. It really depends on what we're treating and what seems to work for that particular patient.
So you're going for quality over quantity at your practice.
Absolutely.
That's amazing. and the results show. Again, the cases we've had together all had happy outcomes, and you had repeat customers, and so that's what it's all about. It's providing top-notch care, taking care of people, and doing your job, which you've done an excellent job of doing over the years. So anything else you would like to add about yourself or your practice?
No, I just, I'm happy to always be part of the team, both with Lazzara's office as well as different pain management companies involving neurosurgeon, consult, just, really getting the patients out there to get them the best care that they can have.
That's great. And then we have our big conference coming up in January. As you know, we're doing the multidisciplinary panel. And what are you looking forward to the most about that conference?
From going to other seminars of yours, you always bring in just experts in the field to give us different perspectives and know what different treatments are out there. So I think that's always helpful. Some of the people you had here today, are always great with just teaching different aspects that not the average chiropractor really has.
Sure. Well, thank you as always for attending. And Dr. Jen Polk, clinic in Old Town Scottsdale, thank you so much for everything you do and for the wonderful services that you provide to your patients.
Thank you, Larry.
All right.
From all of us at the Lazzara Law Firm and the Chiropractic and Legal Injury Conference, thank you for listening. We hope you never need us, but if you or someone you love does, know they'll have a team dedicated to helping them rebuild, recover, and reconnect with what matters most, their loved ones and the life they deserve. This is the Chiropractic and Legal Injury Podcast, where knowledge is power and collaboration transforms care. If today's episode opened your eyes, share this podcast with your network and help spread the word about the realities of personal injury care. Follow us on social media to keep learning and connecting with this incredible community.